A desert is a large sandy area with very little water. It has very few plants or trees growing in a desert. We have a huge desert to the west of the northern plains. It is partly rocky and partly sandy. It is known as the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. It stretches from the Aravallis to the border of Pakistan. On the other side, it stretches from the Kutch to the border of Haryana. Kutch is the area to the southwest of Rajasthan, which is in Gujarat.
The Great Indian Desert is partly rocky and partly sandy. Here and there we can see small hills of sands. These sandy hills are called sand dunes. When strong winds blow, they carry the sand from one place to another. Thus, the sand dunes keep changing places. Their shapes and sizes also keep changing. The Western Desert is extremely hot in summer. The days are so hot that it becomes difficult to move out and the nights are extremely cold. In winters, the days are warm but the nights are chilly. It is because the sand heats up quickly and also cools down quickly. The western region has very little rainfall. Water here is very scarce. There are only a few streams. They usually remain dry. They have water only when there are rains. Do you know what is an oasis? An oasis is a place in a desert where there is water and where plants can grow. The source of water can be some river, well, or spring. It can come from rain that falls on some nearby hill. At such places in a desert, people live permanently and grow crops. They grow wheat, maize, gram, jowar, bajra and other crops. Trees like palm, kikar and babul also grow in such places.
Our government has been making efforts to turn the western desert into a green land. The Satluj Canal, also known as the Indira Gandhi Canal, supplies water to some parts of this region. It is a very long canal. All along it, green fields have come up. Now, one can see golden crops growing even in this desert land.